In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest method to fix the color tone of your picture in Photoshop. So this is the raw image, and if you think adjusting hue and increasing saturation will fix this problem, let me prove you wrong. This is the result of hue and saturation. It looks okay but not natural. Let's hide this layer for now. Now let's make a duplicate of the background layer. After that, right click and convert it to a smart object so we can edit non-destructively. Now go to the filter menu and open camera raw filter. This is the interface of camera raw filter. Scroll down and you'll find the color mixer. Go to the point color. Now pick the sample point color tool and take a sample from our skin like this. Now increase the saturation and shift the hue slightly to a red. Adjust the luminance and reduce the variance for better control. Again pick the sample tool, this time from the mid skin tone. Adjust hue, saturation, luminance and variance based on how natural it looks. Now select the darker skin tones and refine them the same way. After that, select the dress color and make it more prominent. Finally, adjust the lips color as well. It already looks amazing, but we are not done yet. Now I'm going to increase the exposure and contrast, reduce highlights, increase shadows, lift whites a bit, and pull down blacks. This helps balance overall light so the subject pops while keeping the details intact. Then increase the vibrance slightly and reduce overall saturation. In the effects panel, increase texture, slightly reduce clarity and add a bit of dehaze. And that's it. Now let's see the before and after. Finally, compare it with the hue saturation adjustment we did earlier. You can clearly see the difference. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.